Susan Catania is an American former politician who served as a Republican member of the Illinois House of Representatives from 1973 to 1983. She was involved in women's rights issues and led the unsuccessful effort to get the Federal Equal Rights Amendment ratified by the Illinois General Assembly. Catania also served as chairperson of the Illinois Commission on the Status of Women. A representative from Chicago, she was described as a liberal, feminist, and maverick member of the Republican Legislative Caucus. Catania was born in Chicago and received a bachelor's degree in chemistry from St. Xavier University. She then worked for a chemical research firm before being elected to the House of Representatives. She represented a heavily African American and Democratic district, but a Republican could still represent the district under the state's cumulative voting system. In the House, Catania introduced gay rights bills and the Freedom of Information Act, but both efforts were unsuccessful. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.